The repair shop's Kirk has delivered an exciting career update. Gracing the set of Alan Titchmarsh's Love Your Weekend on Sunday, January 19th, the esteemed furniture restorer divulged that the beloved BBC series is set to embark on a nationwide journey next month. First of all, on iPlayer Now, we have Repair Shop on the Road, where myself and Dom, Chinya, from the barn drive round the country meeting craftspeople and fixing a few things on the way, he enthusiastically shared. But also, we're taking the repair shop on stage. So, as of February, we'll be touring round the country, not fixing things. I must say, do not bring anything to be fixed, Titchmarsh light-heartedly warned. You know this is going to happen, with Will conceding, I know, I have to stress that. But it's just a few of us talking on stage about secrets behind the barn doors basically, Will wrapped up. Labeled Secrets from the Barn, the tour give followers a unique peek at the enchantment of restoration, revealing exclusive insights into the popular show. Joining Will on the live expedition will be stars such as Jay Blades, Steve Fletcher, Lucia Scalisi, Kirsten Ramsey, Susie Fletcher, and the Teddy Bear Ladies, Julie Tatchell and Amanda Middleditch, reports The Mirror. Tour lineups may vary by date. Excitement first buzzed when the tours revealed last September 2024 on the program's official Instagram page. #The Repair Shop is stepping out of the barn and onto the stage for an exciting new live tour. Read the caption of the post. We're even going to be sharing some exclusive, never-seen-before footage from the barn. Tickets on sale now. The Secrets from the Barn tour will kick off on February 2nd at Newcastle City Hall, making stops in Edinburgh, Portsmouth, and Birmingham, before wrapping up at Sheffield's City Hall on March 24th. Tickets are available now through Ticketmaster.